Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Fattah. Okay, today I want to explain about kernel. Kernel is the essential center of a computer operating system. It is the core that provides basic service for all other parts of operating system. It is the main layer between the operating system and hardware, and it helps with process and memory management, file system, device control, and networking. And then, what is shell in operating system? In computing, a shell is a user interface for access to an operating system. In general, operating system shell use either a command line interface or graphical user interface depending on a computer role and particular operation.
Nombor 3. Explain the menu-driven system of shell program. Okay. The following shell script will display the admin menu and will show 3 menu options to display space, login, user and memory users. Yang saya dapat tahu tentang menu driven system of shell program ialah dia memaparkan menu admin dan akan dia menunjukkan 3 pilihan menu untuk kita nampak, iaitu ruang, cakra, penggunaan log masuk dan penggunaan memori. Script shell juga memiliki 4 fungsi. 3 untuk melakukan tugas dan 3 untuk melakukan tugas dan 1 untuk memampirkan menu sederhana. Okey, nombor 3B. Explain a fully graphical user interface of shell program. Okay. Windows shell provide the familiar desktop environment, start menu and taskbar, as well as graphical user interface for accessing the file management function of the operating system. Other versions also include Program Manager, which was the shell for the 3. Yang saya faham tentang fully graphical user interface of shell program ialah Windows shell menyediakan lingkungan desktop menu mulai dan bilas tugas yang sudah biasa, serta antara muka pengguna grafik untuk mengakses fungsi pengurusan file sistem operasi. Versi lama juga merangkumi pengurus program yang merupakan shell untuk 3.
Network operating system. Network operating system is an operating system that manages network resources. Essentially, an operating system that includes specific functions for connecting computers and devices into a local area network. Example of network operating system is Microsoft Windows XP, Artis Software Industry, Nova Network. Thank you.
Saya Rafiq. Hari ini saya akan senaraikan beberapa jenis network operating system dan saya akan explain pasal 2 subsistem utama operating system. So, bagi yang tak tahu, network operating system ni fungsi dia untuk support workstation, personal komputer dan sebagainya lah. Jadi network operating system ni dia terbagi kepada 2 jenis asas, iaitu peer-to-peer dan client-server network operating system. Peer-to-peer ni dicipta untuk membolehkan user berkongsi sumber network yang disimpan pada lokasi yang mudah diakses. Contohnya, bila kita sambungkan hard drive kepada komputer, maka terhasillah asas peer-to-peer network di antara 2 sistem. Seterusnya, client-server network operating system. Client-server ni pula dia dicipta untuk membolehkan end user atau klien untuk akses sumber-sumber macam lagu, game dan lain-lain dari central komputer, iaitu server. Contohnya, bila kita main PS4, PS4 kita ni adalah klien. So, bila kita main game online, game online atau update apa-apa sumber PS4 kita ni macam disambungkan kepada server melalui network. Terusnya subsistem utama operating system. Yang pertama, process management. Process management ni adalah program yang run dan execute macam internet, browser dan lain-lain. Process management ni melibatkan pelbagai tugas seperti creation, penjadualan dan lain-lain. Process management ni juga sumber daripada setiap proses. Melindungi sumber daripada setiap proses. Yang kedua, file management. File management ni dia manage macam mana data kita akan disusun kepada file. So, file management ni memudahkan user untuk buka file menggunakan Windows File Explorer bagi Windows OS lah. Jadi, file management ni organize macam mana file tu disimpan, nak delete, nak open, nak edit dan nak cari file yang disimpan tersebut.
Question C. Memory management. Memory management is the functionality of an operating system which handles or manage primary memory and move process back and forth between main memory and disk during execution. Memory management keeps track of each and every memory location, regardless of either is allocated to some processor or is free. Question 7. Examine hardware compatibility and minimum kernel for installation of a particular. I'm going to give Windows 10 for an example. Windows 10 using a processor that 1 GHz or faster processor or system on a chip. For the RAM, use 1 GB, 42 byte, 32 byte or 2 GB for 64 byte. For the hard drive space, 16 GB for 32 byte or 32 GB for 64 byte. For the graphics card, use DirectX 9 and display 800x 600.
Question number 8A. Monolithic operating system. A monolithic kernel is an operating system architecture where the entire operating system is working in kernel space. A set of primitive or system calls implement all operating system service as such process management, concurrency and memory management. Then number 8B, layer operating system. Layer operating system is an operating system that group relate functionality together and separate it from unrelated. Each architectural structure resembles a layer cake. It starts at level 0 or the hardware level and work its way up to the operator or user.
Okay, virtual machine is specialist software called a hypervisor emulate the PC client of server's CPU, memory, hard disk, network and other hardware resources completely, enabling virtual machine to share the resources. The hypervisor can emulate multiple virtual hardware platforms that are isolated from each other, allowing virtual machine to run Linux and Windows Server operating system on the same underlying physical host. Virtualization limits cost by reducing the need to physical hardware system. Virtual machine more effectively use hardware which lowers the quantity of hardware as associated maintenance costs and reduce power and cooling demand. They also as management because virtual hardware does not fail. Administrator can take advantage of a virtual environment to simply backup this is the recovery, new development and administration tasks. Okay, number 8D. client server model is a distributed application structure that partition tasks or workload between the providers of a resource of service called server and service requester called clients. A server host runs or one or more server programs which share the resources with client. Example is internet server and client. Okay, contoh dia client server model dia macam kita ada wifi, lepas tu kita sambung dengan komputer kita dengan wifi tu, lepas tu phone kita connect dengan wifi rumah kita. Macam tu lah client server model. Okay, example client server model is when a bank customer access online banking service with a web browser. The client interprets the request to bank web server. The customer log in. Credential may be stored in database and the web server access the database server as a client. An application server interprets the written data by applying the bank business logic and provide the output of the web server. Finally, the web server return the result to the client web browser for display. In each step of this sequence of client server message exchange, a computer process a request and returns data. This is the request response message pattern when order. This example is design pattern applicable to client server model separation of consent.